Okay, you guys, you know Coco? She been saying some rude stuff. Let me show you. I don't think she's gonna answer on camera. Coco, was it nice to follow me? You're not answering, but this is what she did before you was on camera. This is what she did. And I said, Coco, what did I say after that? And then I said, Coco, what? Coco, do you follow me? This is what she did. And then I said, Coco, that's mean. And she did, Then she shook her head. And then Super Coop came and said, Coco, do you follow Madison? Coco. And she said yes this time. And she said, Coco, would you like somebody to follow on you?